Good morning, students. I am Alok Shukla once again in front of you, and today I shall teach you active passive voice for class 7. Active passive voice, and now I am here to teaching you. And an extra mark we will see how the rule.
English grammar. Active and between passive and active voice sentences.
Learning objective. What is the learning objective of voice? By the end of this module, the students shall be able to analyze the difference between passive and active voice sentences. Familiarize themselves with various conversations regarding the changes to be made in the structure of a sentence while it is being converted from active to passive voice, and vice versa. Use this structure correctly and effectively for communications. So there are some learning objective of any topic, any lessons or any subjects. So first of all, you will mind what is the learning objective of this chapter. Okay.
Familiarize themselves with various conventions regarding the changes to be made in the structure of the sentence while it is being converted from active to passive voice and vice versa. Use these structures.
Here you will see concepts in module. First of all, we will learn the introductions of the topic and structure changes in active to passive voice sentences. How does a sentence changes from active to passive voice? Change of voice from passive to active. Usage of passive voice in communication. What are its usage in what are used in communication? Active voice are particular way of organizing the content of a class. Content of a class. Okay. This is the particular way, and active voice and passive voice are particular ways of organizing the content of a. Look at the sentence given in the common slide. You will see the sentence. Andrew is during the lecture. Somebody has killed an elephant. They serve the lunch to the guest. Jenny's grandparents look after her. Here all the sentences given here are in active voice. In active voice, we put the subject, the doer of the subject first. The doer of the subject is in the focus of attention. Okay? Here active voice indicates that the subject is acting or doing something. Subject is doing something. In active voice, the object receives the action of verb. Okay? But in passive voice, you will see active voice, a verb is said to be in active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. This is very important point here. The subject, here some examples are given. You will see the example. These all elephant was killed. These all sentences are written in passive form. Okay, all the sentences given here are in passive voice. In passive voice, the persons are think that the action was done to become the topic. Now the passive voice, we may present the doer of the action within a prepositional phrase. Okay, in certain cases we may even leave out the doer. In some sentences, doer is not important. Passive voice. A verb is said to be in passive voice when the subject is the receiver of the action. When the subject is the receiver of the action, then it is said to be passive voice. For example, here you can see. And next is change of voice from active to passive. Here you will say how we change from active to passive. Swapping of subject and object. The object in the active voice become the subject in the passive voice, and the subject in active voice become the subject in passive voice become the object in the active voice. Okay. The literary club presented a play. A play was presented by the literary club. Okay. Here a play will be become the subject, and this subject will be become the object. Changing of pronouns. Here we shall discuss the changing of pronouns. If the subject or the object have pronoun, it changes the manners. I will change into me, we change into us, you will change into he, him, she, her, it will change into it, and they will change into them. Okay? They will change into them. Examples. Examples: active voice, passive voice. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. I write a letter is written by us. We write a letter. You write a letter is written by you. He writes a letter is written by him. She writes a letter is written by her. It eats the food. The food is eaten by it. They write a letter is written by them. The rule is very simple. Once you know how it changed, you can easily do it. When the agent is important, we use the prepositional by to introduce the doer or the agent. If we omit the agent, if the agent is not known, not important or understood from the context. Okay? Always the subject is not mentioned in passive voice. In the short line you can understand it is not always used in passive voice. Passive was form and usage. What are its form and usage? It is very important. What are its usage in our communication? Simple present tense, am is of the past participle. In simple present tense, active. Dinah drinks a glass of milk every day. Passive. A glass of milk is done by Dinah every day. Okay? Here active it has been changed into here in passive. Into passive. Exercise. Complete the following passage by using the passive form of the verb in the brackets. Here some exercises are given. The age of computers throw us on the escalator of aspiration, but we rob of simple charms like falling asleep. Falling asleep, the compulsions of hectic schedule cause stress. However, the joys can by practicing meditation. Through it, a sense of happiness is, and negative thoughts are always with. Okay? You will answer is given has from here had been robbed in C, B regained by, and D achieved in E done. You will do it by your own self and correct your answer with the help of these answers. Convert the following sentences from active to passive voice. These are questions to you. Solve. Write down on your notebook and solve this. Why did she write such a letter? Second, they clean the entire classroom. Third, keep quiet. Okay, and the answer is given here, but you will do by your own self. Not you will copy from here, and you will check your understanding. Okay, the answer is given here, but no doubt you are able to do your homework, and you will not take any help from here. Okay. Now this understanding and applications once again by learning of aptitude by the end of this module students are able to analyze the differences between passive and active voice sentences. Okay, and this already has been done. Now we will discuss new things in this topic. We will discuss new things. Concepts in module. Okay, students, once again we are here to with this assignment, and this is for you. Change the following sentences to passive voice. The principal has forbidden smoking on campus. I advise consulting a good doctor. They don't allow people to park in front of their gate. We advise passenger to book their tickets early. They made her repeat the whole story. And your answer, enter your answer. Here you will enter your answer. Okay. How you will enter your answer? Are upload files, save and next. Okay. And next is the following letter has some incomplete. Complete sentences, complete them by using the appropriate passive voice from the word. Okay. Some mistakes. There are some mistakes in this passage, and you will recognize those mistakes and complete this according to your knowledge. I hope this letter finds you in a good health and it leaves me here. I would like to give you a good news that the marriage of my elder sister. Here you will think what will be the right answer. It is November 21st. It was all planned in a hurry and so could not inform you. I am sorry for that. On that day of the engagement, we were able to invite only family, friends, everything. Okay, here you will find what the right. So suddenly that we here you will take to book the banquet hall for the engagement ceremony. Finally, that the functions. So all the gaps you will fill by your own self based on your understanding. Okay. Now the other questions is change the following sentences into passive voice. The principal has forbidden smoking on campus. The principal has forbidden smoking on campus. I advise consulting a good doctor. They don't allow people to park in front of their gate. We advise passenger to book their ticket early. They made her repeat the whole story. Okay, you will write your answer. You will write down on your book this all answers, and you will solve it on your notebook. And next is the employees read the given sentences. There is an error in each sentence. Identify the error and correct it. You have to identify an error and you have to correct it. The employees will be given a ticket by the manager. The trees were blowing down by the wind. The picture was painted by my grandmother. The visitor was shown a collection of old manuscripts. The water was polluted by the oil leakage. You will select the error and you will feed it here. Okay. And the next is another question. The following letter has some incomplete sentences. Complete them by using appropriate passive form of the verb. I hope this letter finds you in good health. I hope this letter finds you in good health. As it lists me here, I would like to give you a good news that the marriage of my elder sister, here you will complete the right passive form. It On November 21st, it was all planned in the hurry and so could not inform you. I am sorry for that. On the day of that engagement, we were able to invite only family friends. Okay, everything you will see, and this is the home assignment, and you will fill it and complete and बस इतना ही. Thank you for watching me, and next of it and the answer of it you will find in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.